In this video, I'll show you how you can apply for a job at LinkedIn. So it's very simple. So first step is we need to find a job. So I'm going to click on jobs at the top. And from here, let's say I'm going to type content creator. So content creator. And from here, you will see all available jobs at content creator. You can even filter those jobs by date post. So for example, I want only past 24 hours jobs. So there are two results. So I'm gonna click on show two results, and those two jobs are past, as you can see, this was added 6 hours ago. Then you can also choose experience level. So you have like associate, director, or entry level. So let's say entry level, and there's this one job. You can also filter it by many more options like remote or company. So now when you want to apply, you're gonna open this job and you can read through the job description. If you have premium on LinkedIn, you can also see how many candidates applied for this job. As you can see, 36 total. And of them, like for example, 18% were director level candidates. So you also see education level of these people which applied for this job. So 55% have master degree. And then what you can do, simply just click on this apply button. And from here, you need to fill your details. So for example, email and other things what company wants from you. And then you are going to be applied for a job, and that's it. That's how you can apply for a job at LinkedIn. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.